Yo, what's good, guys? This Crypto Street from Crypto Pushers. Um, Today's video, I've been thinking about like my past videos on like the little platforms that I've been in. Um, I think I said in probably a couple of them that I was gonna do a like how I got started in like crypto. Um, just like how pretty much how I got to where I am today kind of video. Like it's not no big old, some rag to riches story. Uh but to a degree it sort of is, because I don't even really know how I found crypto pretty much during the time, like right before or somewhat during uh the big pump in 2017, end of 2017, beginning of 2018. I can't remember the time frame or actually when it hit, like 19k, 2k, 20k. But I pretty much got into crypto. I can't even remember what brought me. I think it was a little bit before the pump. I forgot who I saw. I forgot who I saw first. But long story short, I've been in crypto since pretty much, it was like a couple days before Christmas. It was like the 23rd, I think, 2017. That's like when I actually took money and brought my first like my cryptocurrency. I don't even think I brought Bitcoin. I had to buy Bitcoin because I remember I brought a shitload of Cardano. I brought a shitload of Tron. This was back when I think 2017, that month Tron pumped to like 27, 24 to, it was between 24 and 30 cents or something like that. And I lost hella money because I didn't know how the crypto market worked at all. I was just fucking jumping in, thinking that, if you don't know shit about the market, it's like when you see some shit going, if you sitting there watching it a couple days and it's just gradually going up, you think it's gonna continue to grow up. Go up. I think I brought in, I think it was between 17 and 20 cent, and I think it peaked out no higher than 30. And I don't even think I sold because I thought it was gonna continue. Man, I lost so motherfucking much money, man. Yeah, so I brought some Tron, I brought some Cardano, like all the coins that, you know what I'm saying? During that time, it was, it seemed like a good idea because I ain't know shit. I ain't know how things went. So yeah, it was Tron, it was Cardano. I think I brought a little bit of, all the fucking top ones. I dropped a little bit of money in, but the newbies in the crypto space, you buy all the shit that's cheap. You know what I'm saying? And I learned my lesson because I got burned on all that shit. All that shit I lost money on, and after that happened, it's pretty much I just got on my YouTube game. It wasn't even a lot of how YouTube is now and how, people starting channels, and man, it wasn't none of that shit back then. 2017 and early 2018, this space has grown tremendously within these past year and a half, 2 years, 2.5 years I've been in it. But yeah, I got on my YouTube game. I started, doing my research. Actually did research on what the fuck Bitcoin was, the whole blockchain, all that shit. I got into a couple ICOs, got burnt on, and I found the landing platform. Shout out to the homie Oracle, man. Like, people that fuck with Oracle back then, like, man, you made so much money. Like, these new people that he be shouting out and shit, shout out to y'all, you know what I'm saying? But I was in this shit from sort of like day one. And I followed him into a lot of shit. Even recently, you know, I still fuck with Oracle, man. Oracle changed my fucking life, my financial situation, and, you know, my financial future, man. I have to it's big ups to him, man. I sincerely mean that shit. It's coming from a place of gratitude, dog. Like, I appreciate that. But yeah, I found the Oracle, man, back in his humble days when I don't even think he had the Lambo then. Shout out to Oracle. I don't know Oracle. But this was back then when he was more laid back, and well, he's still laid back. But anyway, I followed him until I just cut to the chase, man. The big payday for me, man, was the Coin, man. I got into that whole BitConnect shit. Actually, I got into BitConnect the motherfucking week that it scammed out. I can't remember how much. I ain't put a whole lot in there, but I think the week that I got in, that DOD bullshit started. And then it just fucking plummeted to the ground. So I lost a little bit of money in that, but the Coin was the big ticket for me, man. Like, I was at a point in my personal life, I was like, man, something gotta change, man. I'm fucking getting, this can't be it, you know what I'm saying? I can't continue to get up and go work hard for somebody else, and I gotta do something for myself. So that was more of the vein that I took as far as like searching out something. I guess that's how I could say that I found crypto. It wasn't on. Hey, I was thinking fast money because I've always been thinking fast money. You know what I'm saying? But it circulates though. We always remember that, in and out. But anyway, the Coin was it. Follow Oracle into that. How I got the money, I took a cash advance on my American Express card for, I forgot how much it was. I want to say 15. It was at least 1,500 because I took that and I brought 1,100 tokens, the DAV tokens. I had 1,100 of them, and it was a gamble. It was a fucking gamble. And those of you who are new in crypto now, and you know, even those that's been in it for a while, you know all this shit a gamble. I ain't a gambler. I don't fuck around in the casinos and none of that. I do go, but I ain't, you know what I'm saying? I'm about saving money. But anyway, got 1,100 tokens in the Coin, and that thing spiked. It peaked. I want to say January. You know what? Let's look that up. I think I already got this. I already think I got. Let me see what this is. I pulled this up. Oh, this is the current price now, man. Under a penny. But let's see if I think I got the chart here. Yeah, check this out. I do all. Yeah, the Coin in 2018 in January. Alone, I got in crypto in December, early December, I think. No, late December, like Christmas time. And found the Coin, got in. I can't remember how much I paid per token, but I had 1,100. It might have been less than that, but this thing peaked to 130. I think it was 30. Yeah, 130. Yeah, 130 something. I saw all my tokens on the way up, and I had my gauge set. Like I'm stopping at 40. So I saw majority of them at 39. At 1,100 tokens. You know what? We gonna do the math. We do the math right now. And let's see, I think I already did that too. Hold up, let's do the math. If I remember right, 1,100, fuck that, we gonna do it right. Times, we got what? I sold a lot at 39, man. That's 42K. That's 42K within within a month, 2-month period. And this is why I shout out the homie, the Oracle. Like, come on, man. You already know. You look at that, man. That's what changed my life. That you talking about? We grinding for passive income, man. That's a whole year's income for some people, right there in a month. You made your money in a month. You made your yearly salary damn near in a few weeks. And there's my crypto story. I could close it up. I could shut it down right now and it be self-explanatory. That it is what it is. And a lot of people around me don't understand. Like, it was a gamble. Like, that started with a $1,500 cash advance from my credit card. Look, I don't pay my credit card off 40,000 times. He did. So, and that's the power, man. When that happened, man, ever since then, like, that showed me the power of crypto, the power of going into the uncharted territory, doing things that people don't understand. People are afraid of the unknown. We fear the unknown, but once you go into the unknown willingly, looking for something, man, it could be a big disaster or a big blessing. In my case, it was a big blessing. Crypto saved my life, man. I can honestly say that. Cryptocurrency saved my life. I don't want to say my life. That's emotional. Cryptocurrency changed my life, man. Straight up. You can see the numbers. The numbers are there. And I ain't the only one that made money. Like, there's a lot of people that made money. Imagine just that one platform. A lot of people made money in BitConnect too, man. Come on, that's life changing. That's life changing money. If you would have got in on the day one, man, come on, man. And they scream Ponzi's and all this, and that's why I don't understand with these new heads screaming scams and all this, man. You take a chance, man. Take a chance on yourself, man. Change your life. Change your life, man. Take a chance. Take a couple dollars and throw it in some of these platforms. That's what I be screaming. I've been screaming that in all these little my Bitcoin tools, my ads up, and all this stuff. Like, this is minor to what I've done. And when you see little small stuff like that, that stuff could grow, man. It could turn, man. It turns into something larger than life. But you got to be in that thing. You got to be in it to win, to win big, man. I took $1,100 and I made $42K. And that $1,100 wasn't even mine. I got that money fronted to me off of a credit card, G. So you tell me who's taking chances? Like, what the outcome of taking a chance could really be. Don't be scared, man. Like I was screaming in these other videos. Put your money in, man. Just put the money. Just put the money in. You got $1,000 sitting in the bank right now in your savings that ain't working for you. Like, you want to continue to work for that money, or you gonna let your money work for you? You choose. You choose. I'm gonna tell you right now. Yeah, I still work a job, but I don't have to. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting to the point now where I'm the whole passive income and building my income streams. This is going to be a big one. Like, cryptocurrency is like the main joint. I ain't planning on working no 20-30 years. That's brainwash. You brainwash at that point. Like, I don't wanna work no 20-30 years on no job and for no pension and go to college and rack up a whole bunch of student loan debt, 100-200K and shit. Fuck that, man. Get out here and take a chance. take a chance on yourself, man. If anything, I'm here to motivate you. And that's really what the name came from. Crypto pusher. I push crypto every day. I'm not as rich as some. I ain't riding around in no Lambo. Shout out to Uncle. You already know. I'm gonna give him a hard time. Well, not really a hard time. I'm just gonna shout him out. Cause a lot of people, they don't really know like the mentality of this dude. I sit and I watch him. Like some of the stuff, like if you ain't got the right mindset, you be like, man, this guy is scamming people. But that's bullshit. That's the losers. Them the losers. Them the losers. A lot of people can vouch for that. Them the losers, man. They losing. Them the fucking losers. They ain't got no bread. They going to work. They ain't making no money hourly. They ain't got no crypto. Them the losers. Screaming. This man, I can attest. I don't think really nobody came out and spoke like this. Oracle the truth, man. Oracle the truth. I follow you to the end, homie. You already know what it is, man. Crypto pushers. Y'all know where the name came from. This is my story. I push crypto every day. Every day. I'm sending. That's another thing, like with money in the crypto, like you gotta circulate it, man. You can't sit and hodl that shit. What you hodling for? You might as well just send your shit to Coinbase, hit a market order, cash out, get your cash, and that shit to your banking account, and put that shit in your savings. That's what hodling is. You know, why would you do that? Why would you do that? That's stupid. Money circulates, man. The money circulates, the crypto circulates. Move that shit around. Put your money in these platforms, man. Pull your money out. Win, lose, or draw, man. It's my story. Crypto pusher.